multi-step experiments, flip 2 coins, one, then the other. How many different ways can they land? It's worth being careful. Let's find every single one. One way, list them. Write each result in order. First coin, then second. Heads heads, heads tails, tails heads, tails tails. 4 outcomes, heads tails isn't tails heads, and working systematically, we miss none. A table organizes the very same 4. Coin 1 labels the rows, coin 2 the columns, and every cell is one outcome, neat and complete. Best of all, a tree. Coin 1 splits into 2 branches, heads or tails. From each branch, coin 2 splits again, heads or tails. Follow every path to its tip. Heads, 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 tails, tails heads, tails tails. 4 paths, 4 outcomes, and a tree handles any number of steps. Here's the shortcut. 2 choices for coin 1, 2 for coin 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. With 2 steps, each outcome is a pair, and you multiply the number of outcomes at each step. Maya flips a coin, then rolls a die. 2 times 6, 12 outcomes. That works as long as every step still has all its outcomes. Let's remember! To show every outcome of a multi-step experiment, use a list, a table, or a tree. And to count them, multiply the number of outcomes at each step. You've got it.